Alright guys, part 3. We're going to go together with this thing. We're going to get the engine in. Might cut it up, might be part 4, I don't know, depending on how long this takes. We're going to get the tires on. We're going to start this thing here real soon. It's go time. Should we do a time lapse of this thing? Yeah. Alright, we're going to get a time lapse of this bad boy coming together.
So I just finished mounting these tires.
Hoosiers on, baby. Sorry.
White letter Hoosiers, they look really good. Max is getting the pressure right on that front one. But
you know, it's starting to look like a little bit of a bike. You know, forks on. Forks on, tires on. She's gonna be looking good. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. B-Rad here is gonna be updating as we go. So yeah. Motor's in. It's all coming together good. We got the new hour meter on. We're getting all the wiring on. You know, we're going slick. We got qualifying over there. Can't forget that. You gotta listen to qualifying. And it's all going good. Just wanted to update you on that. And I think the next update should be, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, it's going good. I'll update you. It is going together. So, getting all the electrical, Justin's getting all that. I kind of helped him a little bit. We got to plug in the throttle body, all those connectors there. And keep chugging along. We're doing pretty good here. I'm saying in an hour from now we're gonna have this thing running. But
maybe. Awesome.
Yeah. I mean, maybe it'll run and blow up or something. But yeah, looking good. It's looking like a bike. enough to where they're ready to start. Air filter, oil, coolant. We just got to torque some bolts, but we want to make sure it starts before that. So we're going to give it a couple taps here. Sounds decent. I heard a little compression.
Sounds promising.
Do it again.
Yeah, get some gas flowing.
It's ready to go.
Yeah, I guess.
Here, we're going to go for it.
Started and everything. So basically, I did everything. I put this whole thing by myself. I think I did a good job. It all came together nicely. I did everything by myself, no help. Yeah.
I did the tires.
So thanks for watching.
I did top end.